Hi, welcome to Juice Bar. Today we're gonna mix a Valentine cocktail. So today I'm gonna propose you a cocktail that's called Apóstol. It's a sweet cocktail. It was made in 2017 by Grace Tsai for a Bacardi competition, and because it was made for a competition, it comes with a description of the story of the cocktail, which is a bit dramatic, I would say. And so I will try to give you my best interpretation of it as a real thespian after the credits. But that's definitely not to diminish the value of the cocktail. I wrote stories for cocktail when I submit them for a competition, and sometimes you get carried a bit. Let's say Grace got carried a bit much. But let's get down to mixing this cocktail. And the first thing you should know is that it's supposed to be a smoked cocktail. Now, the smoke is supposed to come from cinnamon powder. I tried it and I really didn't think the smoke of the cinnamon powder added anything good to the cocktail. So here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna get a piece of white oak and I'm gonna drill a small hole, maybe this thick, so that I can get some dust. Sawdust, which I'm collecting. Then I'm gonna turn on the vent because safety first, and then let's see if we can give fire to this sawdust. Oh, okay, now we have a bit of smoke. Good, this was the hard part. Now let's get down to mixing our cocktail, and it's gonna be 10 milliliters of creme de cacao, chocolate liqueur, then 50 milliliter each of Pedro Ximénez sherry and rye whiskey, and I'm choosing this Texas Rye from Balcones because it has a serious chocolate note to it that we are gonna exploit in this cocktail. Originally the cocktail was made with Bacardi 8, so I'm using the Barceló Imperial Ron Dominicano because, as I said before, I don't think it's worth the money it costs normally, but I buy it on sale from Amazon, and so it becomes a decent price and a good deal if you want a really sweet and smooth and easy to drink rum. It's just 38% ABV, which is a bit of a rip-off. But in this context, it's gonna be perfect because we want something, without any edge, just round. And because we pair it with a strong rye, we are not gonna be lacking in flavor anyway. Let me get some ice. And let's give this bad boy a stir. Let's pour our cocktail in our smoked glass. Let's decorate with some orange peel. I'm gonna make it all cute and pretty for Valentine. And there you go, an Apóstol. Cheers. Nice. Nice. And I definitely think the smoke from the white oak is an improvement over the smoke of the cinnamon. Smoke of the cinnamon didn't give me anything. Smoke of the white oak is giving me exactly what you would expect. Smoky cask. And actually the smoke combines really well with the orange peel to give a new sensation. It's really nice. My decoration just fell in the glass because my nose is too big. But the cocktail is nice, it's a bit sweet, it's chocolatey, nicely chocolatey. This rye works awesome in this context, and it pairs really well with this Barceló Imperial. Barceló Imperial gives the smoothness, the roundness, the sugar, because they add a lot of sugar to this boy, while the rye brings strength of character, ABV, and clear chocolate notes, which are obviously layering up on top of chocolate liqueur, and Pedro Ximénez sherry that's also chocolatey itself. So quite nice actually. If you can make a better smoke with your kitchen torch, all the better. You can really show off to your partner some pyrotechnics while you're making a really good cocktail, which is not gonna be that light either. It's nice. It's nicely strong. Yeah, really good. So if you enjoyed the video, please like, subscribe, comment down below, share with anybody you like and don't like, steer yourself and smoke yourself a drink just like this, and hopefully I will see you next time. Cheers. So here's my dramatic reading of the description of this cocktail, the Apóstol. The spirit, aged in a dark, damp barrel for more than 8 years, symbolizes the painstaking process of achieving success. The burning of a cinnamon powder symbolizes war and suffering, while the bitter sweetness of a dark chocolate symbolizes hard work and the eventual sweetness of success.